Pretty cool. All right, 5:16 this morning. I tell you what, it is good beach weather if you can find some shade because we have got the heat and humidity. You just need some water to cool you off. Look at the heat advisories and heat warnings stretching all the way from California to Florida. That little tip down there in Florida, they're getting the heat and humidity. All of our areas under heat advisory. In fact, the entire state of Louisiana is currently under heat advisories, and parts of Texas. Most of Texas is under heat advisories or heat warnings. So the heat wave continues. Ours goes into effect at 12 p.m. until 7 p.m. Now our temperatures are going to be in the upper 90s today. It is going to be hot. It's going to be muggy. Now I'm trying to find some good news for you, and I think I found a little bit. And it's the fact that this is not as oppressive as what we saw 3 or 4 weeks ago in late June when it felt like 115 to 125 at times. The humidity doesn't look like it's going to be as bad. Now the air temperature, what your thermometer reads, will be similar, but that humidity, it's a little lower. So our heat index values are going to max out around maybe 112, which is, I don't know, better than 120. So there's your good news of the day. It's still dangerous. Please be extra careful. Use caution if you got to work out in it. Radar this morning been tracking a few showers along the coast. Our radar has been going in and out, so it's not picking up on them, but there's a few showers down there. We'll watch for about a 20% chance of rain as we go through this afternoon, but most people missing the rain, which means it just gets hotter. 97 today and staying mostly dry. Rest of the work week looking about the same. Dry and plenty hot. Now weekend plans Saturday and Sunday, storms are back in the forecast, and I think Sunday is going to bring our best shot of storms. So if you have outdoor plans between the two, if you have to pick, I would probably lean towards Saturday with the caveat of there's probably going to be some storms, but it may be stormier on Sunday itself. Temperature wise, we're going to stay near records. The records are hovering around 97 to 99 the next couple of days. Our forecasted highs are around 98 or so, and then there's your rain chances increasing and bringing our temperatures down into the low 90s by early next week. Still nothing to worry about in the tropics locally. We're tracking now Tropical Storm Dawn. It's gone fully tropical at this point, still just out there in the Atlantic. It's not going to impact anyone as it continues to do a loop and then eventually gets pulled to the north here by the weekend. Deeper in the tropics, a couple tropical waves rolling off, still a lot of dry air and dust, so not going to do anything at least for the next couple of days, but the Atlantic may try to wake up in a week or so, but at the moment it is just shrouded with dust, a lot of Saharan dust over the Gulf, but look at this plume of Saharan dust coming out over the Atlantic. This one's so dense you can actually see it from space and satellite. You have to wait for the sun to come up. I can't show you it this morning, but this is what we're following. It's moving towards the Caribbean islands, and it'll probably get closer to Florida here by the middle and end of the week. You can see that large plume heading over towards Cuba, southern Florida, Yucatan, the Gulf. We may see some of that get to us by early next week as well. But we love the dust, keeping things quiet at least for a little while longer. There's your 7-day forecast though, and it is staying hot and muggy. Those upper 90s each day will feel closer to 108 to 112. Heat advisories will probably be in effect every single day the rest of this week. Not a lot of rain to talk about, although there might be 1 or 2 isolated storms during the afternoon, but better rain chances as we head into the weekend.